Good morning, Nystrom, and happy Friday to you. Congratulations on making it through another week of distance learning, and thank you for showing up on Friday. Now, I was doing a little Google searching and finding out what did I miss that happened in the world this week, and it turns out quite a bit. Did you know that in the past week or so, a helicopter has flown on Mars for the first time? If you remember back a couple of months ago, the Mars rover, the Perseverance, landed, and with it, they brought a helicopter called the Ingenuity. So I wanted to learn more about this and also more about Mars. So let's start by learning a little bit about Mars and the planet Mars, and then we'll take a look at the helicopter, the Ingenuity, as it takes off for a very short journey for the first time on the planet Mars.
To the ancient Romans, the planet Mars was symbolic of blood and war. But to many people today, the red planet may hold the key for a bright new future for humanity. The story of Mars began about 4.5 billion years ago when gas and dust swirled together to form the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system, with a diameter just shy of the width of Africa. In fact, its entire surface area is similar to that of all of Earth's continents combined. Much like its terrestrial cousin, Mars is dense and has a rocky composition. At the center of the planet is a core made of iron, nickel, and sulfur, which may have created a protective magnetic field during Mars's earlier years. Enveloping the core is a rocky mantle made of silicate minerals and a crust rich in iron. These iron minerals react with the trace amounts of oxygen in Mars's atmosphere and rusts, giving the planet its signature reddish hue. While its blood-like appearance inspired the ancient Romans to name Mars after their god of war, the planet's rusty color could be considered symbolic of the planet's prime days long past. Today, Mars is dry, desolate, and cold, with temperatures dropping as low as negative 225 degrees Fahrenheit. But billions of years ago, the planet was much warmer, more geologically active, and had a watery surface. Lake beds and river valleys snake along the face of Mars, indicating that liquid water was, for a time, present. Volcanoes, such as Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system at 3 times the height of Mount Everest, once erupted lava. But by about 50 million years ago, soon after Earth's dinosaurs died out, Mars's volcanoes also went extinct. Water on the red planet still exists today, but mostly in the form of polar ice caps. Because of factors such as the presence of water, some scientists believe life may have existed on the red planet and may exist again. Since the 1960s, space programs from around the world have launched missions to Mars in attempts to understand the planet's past, present, and potential for sustaining life. Life on another planet may well be out of reach for the near future. But if any planet could give us hope, Mars may hold the key to the survival of humanity.
Super interesting to learn all about Mars. And now let's really take a look at what happened this past week on that planet with the helicopter. First time a helicopter's ever taken flight on Mars. Check this out.
NASA's Ingenuity helicopter has finally lifted off from the surface of Mars. It was a short flight, just 30 seconds long, but it was a big moment for space exploration. Here's Joe.
Yep, after 6 years of development and a 287 million K journey to Mars, it all came down to this moment. Now, I know, the flight itself wasn't huge, but the achievement is.
Human beings have flown a rotorcraft on another planet.
The four-legged flying machine first hitched a ride to Mars aboard NASA's Perseverance rover back in February, but it took a bit of time to get everything right so the flight could go ahead. NASA says the technology behind it will help make planet exploration quicker, easier and cheaper than ever before.
It had to be designed from the ground up for a very alien, very harsh environment.
NASA says Ingenuity will do some bigger test flights soon, so it looks like the sky is the limit.
People living in...
All right, yesterday's riddle, what word is represented in this picture? Because all week long we've been doing some visual riddles and brain teasers. So this one involves a prefix. You see the boot or the shoe, and you see a little RE next to it. You put those together, reboot. You get it? Like you need to reboot your tablet every once in a while. Congratulations to the following class who got it correct. Miss Sims, Miss Robinson, Mrs. Pierce, Miss Barba, Miss B, Miss Bossa, Miss Fairweather, Miss Schultz, Miss Heller, Mr. LaFleur, Miss Franco, Miss Jang, and Mr. Z. We will come back next week with more riddles, and I will try and stump you again. That is it for today. Remember those 4 B's. Be responsible, be respectful, be safe, and be honest. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.